Hey guys, I'm Ashley. I have never changed my wiper blades before, like ever. We recently launched Invisible Gloss wiper blades and mine have been streaking or leaving streaks on my gloss for the last couple of months now, which is not only frustrating, but it's also a sign that they need changed. So that was a perfect time for me to learn how to do this. I've only done a little bit of research and it was to know which adapter type that I need, which is a pinch tab. So let's see how this goes. I'm going to try and remove the wiper blade for the first time, the old one. I've been told that I need to protect the windshield because the arm, in case the arm were to fall without the wiper blade on it. So I'm going to put a towel there to protect it. Here we go. I'm going to, this is a pinch tab, so I'm going to try and pinch to get this off. Let's see. Pinch. Can I break the arm? Ah, okay, that was actually really easy once I figured that out. Next, I need to kind of pinch this. Both, the adapter says to push on both sides. So that's what I'm gonna do. Push inward and up. Now I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. I have no idea what I'm doing. So I would say, is that really that was that easy? That was actually really easy. Okay. And the final part, I'm gonna make sure that I take the clear plastic protector off. This. Voila. All right, we're gonna switch to the other side to the other wiper blade. So again, to push, and I figured out that I have to kind of stick my my finger underneath as I'm pushing in on both sides. Maybe to pop it. Oh, now I'm struggling. 1 second. Okay, this side's not as easy. The other one pops so easily. Try this side. There we go. Okay. And I'm leaving this open so that I can replace this. Safety first. Put this here. That's my rings here. Okay. So I'm just pushing inward. Okay, really easy. So I just making it harder than it needed to be. So I just needed to press the two in and I was pulling the wrong direction. So I just needed to kind of pull downward and that popped off really easily. Okay. And next, so this basically just kind of lays in here. The blade, the wiper lays into the arm. There's actually kind of a groove or a slot where it just kind of sits in there pretty nicely. Pops on. That. And final step, remove clear plastic protector. Blooper, there we go. Okay, we're gonna try that again. Yes, very glad that the towel was there to protect my windshield. Okay. Try this again. Okay. So that's in. Okay. Check it. Okay, that feels better. I think we're good. that away. Just gonna double check. So I'm just gonna hold the arm for safety just in case. Yeah, that's much better. We're good. Both wiper blades, done, easy. So just finished putting on both wipers and it was a lot easier than I thought. I was hesitant to do it because I didn't know how to. And it was a little intimidating not having done it before. But now that I know how to, I wish I would have done it sooner because I've been dealing with the streaking on my windshield for months. So now I feel like an expert at changing my wipers, and now I won't be scared to do it the next time.